Xuzhou Gaopeng Toy Company Limited was established in 2006. It is a professional planning and manufacturing company integrating product design, planning, advertising, gifts, sales, and committed to completing the intelligent, customized services required and complete by each family. We provide customers with competitive, safe, and reliable products, solutions, and services. Like provide samples in 7 working days to all clients in the world. Our company is located in Xuzhou City, Jiangsu Province, China, with convenient transportation. Our business covers more than 170 countries and regions. Our employees have rich experience in customize of mascots, dolls, bags, pillows, blankets, slippers, and other plush products. The products are made of high-quality, environmentally friendly fabrics and filled with safe PP cotton. It has strict quality inspection and thoughtful after-sales service and can discuss customer needs at any time to ensure customer satisfaction. In addition, our products also have various quality inspection certificates by EN71. Our products are not only sold well in domestic provinces and cities, but also exported to various countries and regions, including the United States, Australia, the United Kingdom, Japan, South Korea, and other countries or regions. At the same time, we also accept OEM and ODM orders. Regardless of whether your company selects a product from our existing order catalog or seeks help in design, production, etc., please feel free to contact our customer service center and inform your company's procurement requirements.